So it's heating up here in the valley. It's already starting to feel like summer. So I need a cold drink. I want some seafood. And I can't think of a better spot to hit up on a day like this than Pony's Miches. My name's Jonathan Jones, and this is Cookout Culture.
When the pandemic hit, I figured I had some downtime from work. So I figured, you know what? I think that was the perfect time to aim for something I've been wanting to do.
Gotcha.
So I started doing the Michelada mix, which it's a mix that I've been having it's a recipe of my own that I've been having for like 10 years. So it's well, now it's probably like 12 years, 13 years now. Handcrafted mix that I have, that's what I'm known for. My wife is the one that made the ceviche. That's where my michelada and her ceviche put together. That's where, you know, we formed Pony's Miches. She's like, hey, let's just name it Pony's Miches, why not? So started off on social media. You know, I posted a video of me making a michelada. Everybody seemed to like it. They started resharing it. And, you know, from there, it just blew up.
When I came across your social media, the colors, man, everything looks really fresh. I gotta know, man, like, what does it mean to you to have something like this and be able to provide, to give it back to the community where people can come out here on a weekend and get these things?
We felt like the West Valley was missing a little taste of Cali. Even in Cali, there's nothing like Pony's Miches out there. So all the colors and all that stuff we make for our drinks, it's something unique. I think it grabs people's attention. So for us to make the ceviche, we put our love and passion to it. In the ceviche game, you know, the ceviche has to be fresh, nice and clean, deveined.
Yeah.
You know, after we've deveined the shrimp, we still rinse it. You know, so it's still, we try to give a nice, clean ceviche, and I think that's why people come back.
And to break it down for y'all, that means that they doing it right. And when you do stuff the right way, you'll see the success, the love that they've received from the community. All right, it's time to dig in.
I'm gonna show you how to prepare a botana, a tostada. When you order from us, everything comes packed in here. Nice and presentable. And we got the tostadas right here. These tostadas, I order them from this distributor out in Cali, so you can't find these out here in Arizona. So they're pretty good. They're pretty good tostadas. Now, we do make our own. Salsita negra right here that we call salsa negra, and it's. You know, it's a little spicy.
It's a little spicy or is it spicy?
I don't know. If my wife makes it, it depends how mad she is. I don't know. If I make her mad, then it's gonna be spicy. This is our spicy mayo, and it's not sriracha mayo. It's none of that. It's a Mexican spicy mayo that we make. So this is the botana.
Now come look at this. Show them, bruh. That I was telling them that looks so nice. I damn near don't want to eat it just out of respect for the art. But at the same time, I can't wait to dig in.
Yeah, this plate, man, you should see. I mean, you guys saw it's a process to make.
Right. We
put a lot of seasoning, a lot of love into this plate. And it's a really good plate. I mean, our logo says ceviche and micheladas.
Yeah.
We didn't think we were gonna be doing other plates. We just thought we would just stick to ceviche and micheladas. And because ceviches, that's our main heart right there. That's what we're known for. But this botana right here, man. This is where
it's at.
Yeah. So all right, man. Enough talking. Let's dig in, right?
Now this ain't a competition. So if mine look a little crazier than his, don't hold me to it, man.
A little bit of that mayo in there. And then just smear it all over.
Nah, don't get mine. Just stay on him. Just stay on him. You.
And then
they gonna be making fun of me, man.
Just wanna just dig in.
Okay. Man, make sure we get some of them scallops in there. Yo.
onions. I love onions.
Yeah, you can load it up,
get
huh?
the onions in there, yeah.
Load that bad boy up, man.
All right, and then the scallops. Can't forget the scallops. Little drizzle. Yeah. So.
All right, bro. Cheers, man.
Cheers, man.
Here we are.
All right, let's do this.
Tony's Miches, let's get it. Man, that's ridiculous. It's all hit me. That's amazing, bro. No half stepping, the right ingredients, the freshness, the prep. Tell us a little bit about the prep that goes into making this, because it don't look easy at all.
Oh man, it's a lot of prepping, guys. A lot of prepping. You know, right now we're averaging around just shrimp. We're averaging about 200 to 300 pounds of shrimp.
Woo.
You know, for the weekend.
Yeah.
When it's like a busy weekend, like you know, I think for Easter, we did 500 pounds of shrimp.
Wow.
Squeezing limes.
Man.
So a crate has like 400 limes in it. Sometimes I squeeze 800 limes. So I always tell everybody, think about it. I'm touching a lime, cutting it, throwing it in the little bin.
Right.
Once I cut all those, and I have to grab them again. So I'm touching like, I'm not good at math, but I don't know how many times I'm touching those limes.
That's a whole lot of limes.
That's a lot of lime
touching.
touching. But yeah, it's a lot of squeezing. I don't have a machine, so I have a little press.
Right.
So this arm, it's a little
Yeah.
buff.
This is banging, bro. The freshness, the spice, the flavors, like they all shine through, man. I gotta give you your props, man. This is top notch, man. Where can people, if they want to come visit, where can they find you at?
So we're located in Avondale, Arizona. The address is 111 North Dysart Road. So we're in between. So if you're on the 10 freeway, we're south of the 10 freeway on Dysart.
Tony's Miches gets the official Cookout Culture stamp of approval. Y'all be great, and as always, peace and love.